Whoop. There we go. Well, as you know, I'm heading to Washington, D.C. next week for the No Kings rally. And just in case, I decided to buy a gas mask, full-face gas mask. It wasn't much. It was cheap on eBay. So I'm doing open up the box. That's exactly where I want to go. All right. Well, let's see what we got in here. Full-face gas mask. Got some filters, some filter holders. This says multi-gas vapor cartridge. Guess that's some filters too. Whoop. And you got this big spinny thing. I guess that's where you put your filters in there. And here's the mask. Comes with a bag. There's the bag. There's the mask. Got your straps for the back. I know I'm not very good at taking videos. I'm learning. I just got a little piece. Oh, that's all right. Let's see. That comes off. There's the face of it. Oh, look, it comes with instructions. So, follow the instructions for the applicable whatevers. Oh, that's some tiny writing. Okay, assembly steps. Here we go. The face filter, cotton printed, blah, blah. Amzn, that's these. And apparently, I'll take 2 of these. One in each. One in that one. One in that one. I'll take this plastic off here. Like this thing. Okay, step 2. Put filter cotton in the plastic cover. Done. Step 3. Prepare filter cartridge. I guess that's this thing. Well, let's see what's in here. Oh. Filter cartridges. I guess that's these. Now you snap these together and some fine in there. There we go, that's snapped. And that one snapped. One for each side. Let me back this up so y'all can see what I'm doing. All right, next thing to do, put them on the thingamajig. Okay, well, I don't know how that fits on there. I think you gotta take this off. There we go. I'm guessing. And you spin it back. Yeah, that one's on. That one did good. See here, let's. I said I could. Oops. There. Got that on. That looks good. Next thing. With the face filter cotton printed blah blah and then facing outward, which I did. Both are facing outward. So got that far done. Alright. What's next? This roundy thing. take the roundy thing and screw it on, I guess. I just gotta take this cap off. I would think. And you take this out. And I screw this on. And I'm pretty sure I gotta take that cap off. Well, maybe not. Guess you leave that part on. How you supposed to breathe in? Ain't got no hole open. I'll check it out. Okay. Line the left, filter left, filter. Okay, that's all that stuff. Now this part. Hold the mask in hand. Oh, well, I know how to do that. That's putting it on. Let me see how this works. See if I can breathe this in. It's actually got a little weight to it. I'm surprised it's actually heavy duty. I ain't paid the $20 for it. No eyeglasses. All right. Well, that's what it looks like. Oh, my hearing aids. I lost one. One went out somewhere. All right, well, that's it. I'll find the hearing aids in a minute. Y'all have a good day. Gas mask ready.